I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your website in Cheetah. So the first step is to actually hop into the My Pages panel in your website, and you're going to look on the left-hand side, and you're going to find where it says blog. And when you find blog, you're going to go ahead and click it, and that takes you to an area that shows you all of the other blogs that you have available. And we're just going to create a brand new blog by clicking New Blog. And now I have to name my blog and put a description in. And then once you put your name and description in, you're going to go ahead and click for a thumbnail. You're going to add an image to be your thumbnail when you share your blog. So I'm just going to click thumbnail. And I'm going to choose the image I want to use for my share image, and then click select. And once all that's filled out, I just need to click save. And now the next step is to connect this blog to my website. So I'm going to go into edit the blog, and on the left hand side, I've got several different items I can click. I'm going to go down to connect, and this lists all of my websites that I have available that can be connected to this blog. So I can connect a blog to several different websites, but I'm going to only connect it to one. So I'm going to scroll down until I find the website that I'm looking for. So here's the website that I'm looking for, and I'm going to click the connect button. And now the blog I've just created is connected to the website. At any time, if I want to disconnect that blog, I can click the disconnect button here. Now I'm going to go back into the My Pages overview for my website, and let's see what pages the blog has added to my website. So here's the My Pages overview, and I'm going to refresh this screen to see what pages have been added by the blog. So now if I look at my pages, I've got two new pages that have been added by the blog. The first is the blog feed page, and the second is the blog post page. So the blog feed page is going to show multiple blog posts on one page. And then when you click one post to read more, you'll be taken to the blog post page. So those are the two pages that are added whenever you add a blog into a website. If you scroll down to the bottom, the blog pages are also separated out at the bottom in the blog pages area. If you want your blog to be the home page of your website, you can go to the blog feed page and go to the triple dots and choose settings. And then on the initial area where it says not, you're going to change that to yes, and that will make that page the blog news feed page as the home page for your website. If you choose it to be the initial page or the home page, you'll click yes, and then you'll go down to the bottom and click save. Make sure always, if you make any changes to your blog, that you click republish in your website to make sure it's capturing all of the changes that you've made to any of the pages or any of the posts or information in the blog pages. So that's how you add a blog to your website in Cheetah.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand that came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up, just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.